How to fix sorry, looks like your network settings are preventing access to this feature error in Bing Chat. Method 1. Clear all cookies, allow third-party cookies, and disable extensions. Clear cookies and disable extensions on Google Chrome. Open Chrome. Click the three-dot menu button on the top right corner and click Clear Browsing Data. Select the Advanced tab. Open the Time Range menu and select All Time. Leave only cookies and other site data and cached images and files checkboxes marked. Click Clear Data. Then, in the Privacy and Security panel, click Third-Party Cookies. Tick the Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito Mode option. Then, select the Extensions panel. Toggle off the slider next to each extension to disable it. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Clear cookies and disable extensions on Mozilla Firefox. Open Firefox. Click the menu icon on the top right corner and click Settings. Select the Privacy and Security panel on the left. Scroll to the Cookies and Site Data menu and click Clear Data. Ensure the cookies and site data and cached web content checkboxes are marked and click Clear. Click Clear now. Then, choose Standard in the Browser Privacy section. Click Extensions and Themes at the bottom left of the browser window. Select the Extensions panel. Toggle off the slider next to each extension to disable it. Clear cookies and disable extensions on Microsoft Edge. Open Edge. Click the three-dot menu button on the top right corner and click Settings. Select the Privacy, Search, and Services panel on the left. Scroll down and click Choose what to clear. Open the Time Range menu and select All Time. Leave only cookies and other site data and cached images and files checkboxes marked. Click Clear now. Select the Cookies and Site Permissions panel on the left. Click Manage and delete cookies and site data. Toggle off the Block Third-Party Cookies option. Click the three-dot menu button again and click Extensions. Select Manage Extensions. Toggle off the slider next to each extension to disable it. Method 2. Install the Mod Header browser extension. Install Mod Header on Google Chrome. Open Chrome. Click the three-dot menu button at the top right corner, select Extensions, and click Visit Chrome Web Store. Type Mod Header in the search box and press Enter. Select Mod Header. Then, click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension when prompted. Click the extension icon and select Mod Header. In the request header name field, type in x-forwarded-4. In the value field, type in 1.1.1.1. Install mod header on Mozilla Firefox. Open Firefox. Click the menu icon on the top right corner and click Add-ons and Themes. Type mod header in the search box and press enter. Select mod header in the search results. Click Add to Firefox. Click Add when prompted. Click the extensions icon and select mod header. In the request header name field, type in x-forwarded-4. In the value field, type in 1.1.1.1. Install mod header on Microsoft Edge. Open Edge. Click the three-dot menu button at the top right corner and click Extensions. Click Open Microsoft Edge Add-ons website. Type mod header in the search box and press enter. Click Get next to mod header. Click Add extension when prompted. Click the extensions icon and select mod header. In the request header name field, type in x-forwarded-4. In the value field, type in 1.1.1.1. Method 3. Sign into your Microsoft account. Open your browser and go to the Bing Chat website. Click the Sign In button at the top right corner of the web page. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and click Next. Method 4. Update your date of birth. Open your browser and go to the Bing Chat website. Click your profile icon at the top right corner and click Manage Account. Select the Your Info tab. Select the Date of Birth section. Enter your correct date of birth and click Save. Refresh the Bing Chat web page. Method 5. Switch to a third-party DNS server. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type ncpa.cpl in the Run dialog and click OK. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. In the resulting Internet Protocol window, tick Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server, type in 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS server, type in 1.0.0.1. Click OK. Restart your PC. Method 5. Reset network settings to default. Right-click the Windows Start button and click Settings. Select the Network and Internet panel. Select Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Click Yes to confirm the reset. Note that all your networking components will be reset to their default settings, so you will have to re-enter your Wi-Fi connection password. Click Close when prompted. Restart your PC. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and big files finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel.